So hello, and today I'm going to show you how to find the height of objects, and all you would need would be a inclinometer, homemade or bought, and some sort of measuring device. A yardstick could work, but it's not really long enough. You want something a little longer. A tape measure is ideal. So the first measurement you're going to take is your distance from the object. So where you're standing, you want to know how far away you are from that object. So I would take the distance from wherever I am to the base of that object. So that's my first distance. The next measurement I'm going to take is how high I'm holding the clinometer from the ground. This is one that people often forget, but you want to know how far away you are holding it from the floor. And I'm going to tell you why in a little bit. So the next measurement will be just the distance from where my inclinometer tip is to the base of the floor. So that would be my other height. And now the last measurement's the actual degree, the one the clinometer tells me. It's made to literally find the angle of elevation, so that would be the last measurement I want. So that measurement you would find from your clinometer. You would look through the straw or tube, whatever you made, all the way to the top of whatever you're finding the height of. Now right now it doesn't look like much, but if I move the base up, and it's still the same distance I was standing from it, you can see this triangle start to take shape. And what I found is the angle of elevation from my eye, which means I found this theta. Okay, this would be my theta. Ooh, that's a little polka dot. Not really what I wanted. So I found this as my theta. And I found this, my distance from the whatever I'm finding the height of, and that's my adjacent side. That's the adjacent. Now if I'm looking for the height, I'm looking for this entire height, which means I'm looking for this part, which is my opposite. So I have my opposite. But if you notice, the part of the triangle doesn't cover the entire height. It's not the entire building or whatever I'm finding the height of. So whatever this number ends up being, when I use tangent to find this opposite side, once I find that, I will also need to add the height I held it from the floor. Ooh, let's make that a little straighter. There we go. So I have the adjacent. I found this measurement. I have a tape measure. I can find that no problem. I use a little bit of trigonometry. I find the opposite side, which is just this piece right here. And then I would add how far I am holding the inclinometer from the floor. And that would give me the height of the entire building or object, whatever you're finding. And that's how you find the height of objects using a clinometer. Hope that helped, and good luck with your little projects. Have a good one.